This is a movie by Dragon Sisters called Our Cat Twinkle. This is
Twinkie's documentary.
Isn't she cute? We've had her ever since she's 2 days old. Hello, Twinkie.
Twinkie.
She likes to sleep on beanbag chairs.
Twinkie.
And that chair over there.
And sometimes on the couch.
Yep, and on the couch too. Alright, this is a picture of her mom and her sisters.
And this is her meow. Okay, she does your own meow.
Here's Twinkle, I think. That's her brother Tiger. That's Cinder. Pumpkin is the black cat. And that might be Twinkle there. That's a bear picture of Tiger. Wasn't he cute? He's my favorite boy. That's another picture of Tiger. This is Twinkle when she could first learn to walk.
Twinkley's going to have a ride on the beanbag. See, look, it's Twinkie riding a beanbag. Whee! Whee! If you didn't notice, the cats are a little bit tubby.
That's not nice. Anyways, this is when Twinkle first learned to climb stairs.
And then the giant chain monster attacked her.
This is my group of kittens. Since there's 6 kittens, my sister each had a group. Okay, that's Twinkle, of course, Tiger, and Pumpkin. Here are all the kittens and their mother, Honey. That's Twinkle, Cinder, Snowflake, Pumpkin, Sparkle, and
My
Tiger.
favorite.
Sparkle was my sister's favorite, and Snowflake was her favorite boy. And that's all about that. See? And here's Twinkie. She likes to play with this chain.
She can do a dance with it. See, watch this.
Yay, Twinkie.
She can even stand up. Oh, she doesn't feel like doing a dance today. The cats like things that dangle and move.
Their favorite toy is a yarn mouse called Sock Mouse, which is currently probably under a couch somewhere because they have the annoying habit of losing it.
And here's a problem, but this is with her. Another cat.
This is our other cat. She likes to bite our slippers. A lot.
And here's Squeegee.
Which is not related to the cats in any way. It's got dolphins in it. Hey, Tinky, say hi, Tinky. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Come on, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Ah, she's attacking. Whee, look at Tinky. Where'd she go?
Oh my god. A tissue was found.
Another annoying habit of her cats. She likes to take tissues from trash and stick them under the couch.
Hey, it's a piece of chocolate I lost down there a long time ago.
Now where is Twinkle? There she is.
And Sock Mouse was found.
Here is Sock Mouse. See, watch how much the cats love her. Sorry. See? They always, well, more Twinkle. They always pick you up and walk around with it. See? Then they always lose it. The longest they've ever had it was about 2 days. They usually lose it in about 15 minutes. That's our cat brush. We call this thing. Yeah, the cats don't really like that. And that's our cat Twinkle. Isn't she cute? No more.
Now you're nice and clean. Let's watch the cats chase Sock Mouse. And that's the end of Twinkie's documentary.